In this video, I will show you how to receive money on PayPal. So let's get straight into it. So what you're going to want to do first is come across to paypal.com. And if you don't already, you just want to make sure you've got your account created. So what I would recommend if you have got an account created is, of course, the first thing you want to do is add either a bank account or like a credit card to your account, which will be used to obviously add the funds to. When you first start, it's always better to verify your account first, and this ensures no problems when anyone tries to send you money. With PayPal, they're quite tight on security, so if someone does try to send you money for the first time and your account's not verified, if it's a small amount, sometimes it's okay if it's like sort of $10 to $15, but if it's like a bigger amount, $50, maybe even $100, then there is a chance that PayPal will hold the money and they're going to ask you to do a human verification. So this normally involves sending something like an ID through, like a driver's license or passport, sometimes proof of address as well. So what I would recommend first is, of course, getting your account verified and making sure you do have a bank account linked. So when you initially sign up to PayPal, there is an email address that you'll have to put in, and that's all you basically need to get paid. So what you want to do is give your PayPal email address to the person that wants to send you money, and they'll be able to use that to actually pay money into your account. Another thing you can do is if you actually come to the homepage of PayPal, and it might look slightly different to my page, chances are the homepage has changed since the time of filming. What you want to do is find this paypal.me link here. So it should be about somewhere from the homepage. You can just sort of scroll about and look for it. And if you actually give that a click, what that's going to do is take you across to a page with a custom link. And you can actually use this as an alternative to get paid. So you can see I've got my link here. So what I can do is click on to manage my paypal.me link down here. And you can, of course, copy this link. You can send that to anyone and they can use that again to pay you directly to PayPal. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, then be sure to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.